Welcome to Arts Core. Today I have another color pencil tutorial. All the materials are listed in the description box below. To start off, take a circular object and draw the circle out using a pencil. Now continue drawing the guidelines. Be sure to press lightly while drawing the sketch because parts of it will be erased eventually. Once you have the basic figure of the ladybug down, take black and start coloring in. Also pay very close attention to the parts that I'm coloring dark and the parts that I have left light. This will make the shading much easier later on. Then take Tuscan Red and color in the following areas. This will help blend out the red and black applied earlier, as well as smoothen the shades out so it looks less choppy. Now take lemon yellow or any other shade of yellow and color in the 4 circles at the top. Then take white and blend it out. Now continue using the white to lighten up some more areas on the body of the bug. Now take a pencil and add a shadow on the bottom part of the bug as well as below all the 6 legs. Then take a paper stump or brush to blend it out. Then take a white gel pen to add highlights. You can also use your finger to lighten up some areas like this. And here are the final results. If you did try drawing this, share your drawings with me on Instagram so I can feature them on my story. Also, check out my other videos for more tutorials and subscribe to my channel.